Want to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 faceless YouTube niches that can make you $1,000 or more per month in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. I'll break down each niche, show you the realistic earning potential, and explain exactly what kind of content works best. By the end of this video, you'll know which niche to pick and how to avoid the mistakes most creators make before even starting. Number 1, AI tools and tech tutorials. AI is exploding right now, and people are searching for ways to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Run Diffusion. The best part? You don't need a camera or face, just screen recordings, voiceovers, and simple faceless animations. Channels in this niche can easily earn $500 to $2,000 per month through ads and affiliate links. Pro tip: focus on tutorials that solve real problems. Don't just review tools. Show people how to save time or make money with them. Number 2, top 10 or list videos. People love bite-sized, easy-to-digest information. Think top 10 cars of 2025 or 5 most insane AI creations. You can make these entirely faceless. Stock footage, AI voiceover, and animated text is enough. Once you hit 50,000 to 100,000 views per video, you can earn $1,000 plus per month just from ad revenue. Pro tip: make your titles and thumbnails pop. That's how you get clicks in this niche. Number 3, finance and investment tips. People are always searching how to make money online, passive income ideas, or stocks for beginners. Faceless videos with animated charts, graphs, and AI voiceovers work perfectly here. Channels in this niche have high CPMs, meaning $1,000 to $5,000 per month is possible even with moderate views. Pro tip: keep your videos short and actionable. Viewers love clear steps they can take immediately. Number 4, meditation and relaxation content. Think sleep sounds, ambient music, or guided meditation. No talking is required on just calming visuals, soft music, and smooth animations. These videos perform consistently and generate passive income for months and even years with minimal effort. Pro tip: focus on evergreen content and the kind people search for all year round. Finally, number 5, storytelling and true crime. People love stories. Real events, unsolved mysteries, or short fictional tales. Faceless narration works perfectly here. Combine stock clips, text overlays, and AI illustrations to create suspense. With the right scripts, channels in this niche can earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month within just a few months. Pro tip: keep your pacing tight and your hook strong. That's how you make viewers watch till the end. If you're serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, pick one niche, create 5 to 10 videos, and stick to it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real YouTube growth tips. I'll see you in the next video.